In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the original Skyrim on Steam. We'll go from opening Steam to installing the classic base game, with clear tips so nothing trips you up. Start by opening the Steam client and logging into your account. You need to be signed in to access your library and make purchases. Once you're in, look toward the top of the interface and click the Store tab. That's where we'll do the search and find the correct listing. In the search bar, type Skyrim. You'll notice that the special edition and anniversary content show up first and take most of the attention. For our purpose, ignore those prominent results. What you want to click instead is the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim soundtrack. This is the key. The soundtrack is tied to the original 2011 release, which gives you a straightforward path back to the base game listing. Open the soundtrack page and look for the base game entry associated with it. From there, follow the link to the classic Skyrim store page. This is how you bypass the special edition results and reach the original version. If you don't already own the base game, purchase it on that page. Pricing can vary, and it's often cheaper during infrequent sales, so you might see a better price at certain times of the year. Complete checkout as you normally would in Steam. As soon as the purchase is finished, the game will appear in your library automatically. Now head to your library. Locate the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim in the list, select it, and click Install. Steam will ask where to install the game. Pick the drive you want, and make sure you have enough free space for the files. A stable internet connection helps the download run smoothly, especially since it's a sizable install. You can keep an eye on progress in the downloads section. Steam lets you pause and resume at any time without losing what's already downloaded, so feel free to let it run in the background. When the download completes, Steam may perform a quick first-time setup to install required components. That's normal and only takes a moment. After that, you're ready to launch. Click play from your library to confirm everything opens properly, and you'll be set to dive into the original Skyrim experience. And that's it. Thanks for watching.